What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change out the light bulbs for your headlights on a 2007 Kia Spectra. Let's go. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do, since it's a light bulb and there's electricity running through it, you're going to go ahead and want to take out your battery. If you don't want to, you don't have to do this, but I like to do it just so I don't short circuit anything or break anything. So we're just going to go ahead and just remove the negative terminal post, and then we're going to go ahead and start and remove this. So we're going to go ahead and remove this this cover, because we need to go ahead and reach this light. I'm not sure if your car has this for your battery, but yeah. If you have a pry bar, that's easier. Yeah, I'm just doing it like this. Should be 3 screws to hold it in. I'm not sure if your Spectra has it. But you just go ahead and move that just like that. Might be some space, but you're gonna see this. It's also on the other side right here. You're gonna see this little cap that holds in the light. We're gonna go ahead and remove this funnel. It's just a little turn and pull. It's just for intake. Now we could reach it a little bit more better. You might need to remove the battery if anything. All right, so I guess for the drivers, you're gonna need space to pull the connector out with the light bulb. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the battery as well. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and remove the battery. This is a 12. The intake hose. That way, you're gonna be able to reach the light bulb, which is all over here. I'm gonna show you right now. So this is where your headlight light bulb is. This spot right here is where your head bulb light bulb is. You're just gonna turn it counterclockwise from you. You're turning it to loosen on the left, turning it left, and it should pop out. It's just going to be this cap. All right, so this is your headlight. There's going to be this tab that you're going to push down, and it's going to lift up. That's how you're going to get it loose. You're going to push it down like this and kind of pull it sideways, as you can see. And don't worry, when you pull it out, it should plop out your what's this called, pin that holds it. And then your headlight and your light bulb should come out just like that. And these are just simple. You're just gonna pull it straight out. It's just like a plug in the wall. And you see 3 prongs. Be careful not to break your connector, so do it softly. But again, it's just like that. You're gonna see 3 prongs. I'll show you how the replacement part looks like. I got mine at Napa. They're pretty expensive. It's better to just get it at Rock Auto or anywhere cheaper. So these are headlamps. They're 1 piece inside. This is the part number from Napa. This is for 2007 Kia Spectra headlight bulb. They're both the same numbers because they're both the same lights. These are also the same lights for the high beam as well. I got 2 because I like changing out things in pairs. So we're just gonna do the driver and the passenger. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some gloves on because you don't want to touch these bulbs with a dirty hand. Your oils and all this grease on my hand can cause it to burn out more quickly. So we're gonna go ahead and put some gloves on and then install this. All right, we got the old one right here and I got the new one right here. I like to compare the old and the new. So as you can see, they're very similar. They have the 3 prongs on the sides, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, this one's actually still good. The other one's burnt out, but what matters most is the bottom prongs because that's the one that's going into the connectors. Again, we got this at Napa. I'm going to show you how to install both. Let's go. So I showed you the prongs, the 3 prongs like this, and as you can see, the light bulb has the 3 prongs. It's just like putting in a light bulb. Just push it in, but be gentle, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and install it. How we took it out is how we're putting it in. There's also these three sleeves that let you know it's locked in. All right, so you put the 3 prongs in its place where it locks in. Inspect it that it is in the right way again, and you're just gonna push it down and lock it in place, the pin. That is done. You're gonna go ahead and put the cap back on and then lock it. You are done with the driver's part. Now you could go ahead and put back everything, but don't plug in the connectors, or you could do that last. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the passenger side now. Okay, for the passenger side, it's the same thing as the driver's side. Pop out the cap that locks in the headlight. Go ahead and put that aside. And you're gonna push down this one. The wire is a little on the way, but we're gonna push it down and pull it left, and then pull it all the way up. This is actually the bad bulb. So again, what you're gonna wanna do is pull it off gently, because this connector is very important. And it's just like pulling out a socket. Just like that. Connector looks clean. This is the one that's bad. Yep. It has burnt out on that part, if you can see it. We're gonna go ahead and replace this with a new one. All right, we got the new one right here. And you got the connector, just like the driver's side. You're just gonna push it in gently till it locks in. Is it in yet? Okay. Now, lift up that little tab and go ahead and insert the bulb. So be very careful, not like me touching it everywhere, but as long as you see it lock into those three prongs locked in, you could go ahead and lock the pin. Try to get a better angle. All right, so you push it in, you lock it in, and then you see this little prong thing. You go ahead and push it down. There we go, and it's locked. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 prongs, and then this locking tab. We're gonna go ahead and put the cap back on. And we're gonna go ahead and put the battery on, and the hose and everything the way it was. Alright, so we already went ahead and put the battery back. We put back this little cover shield for the battery and the intake hose thing. I showed you how to unscrew and also to take out the lock for the prongs of the headlight bulb, and also to unplug it just like a regular socket into the wall. We're gonna go ahead and be careful with that if you're gonna do that. But yeah, we already went ahead and changed both the driver and the passenger. I showed you how to do that. Now we're gonna go ahead and check it out and on the car, and check if the light bulbs work. All right, and that's how you change out a 2007 Kia Spectra headlight bulb, both sides, driver and passenger side. Of course, disclaimer, do this at your own risk. I will not be held responsible for any deaths, broken brakes, or whatever damages that happen to your own car and your life. That's how you change it out. It's a very simple job. You're not going to need that much tools. Pretty much just a glove, maybe some sockets to get loose those bolts, and your hands, and of course the part. The part number again is 9003, and from Napa Auto Parts. They're for both sides, passenger and driver, and they're also the same light bulb as the high beam light. And yeah, I think that wraps it up. That's how you change out a 2007 Kia Spectra headlight light bulbs. My name is Mark. If you want to talk some shit, go ahead, comment down below. If you like the video, like the video. If I helped you out a lot, like this video. I don't care how old it is. If you have any questions and more, feel free to comment down below and let me know. My name is Mark. Thank you for watching. Bye.